I got some rolls left over, and I got some shaved chicken breast left over. And I had some steakums, which I told you the other day I never had a chicken cheesesteak. That's why I have the leftover shaved chicken, but I always love steakums, you know. So, but I'm gonna make a half and half chicken and beef cheesesteak, a black and white, if you will ya? Right? You know what I mean? Dark meat, white meat. This is a small pack of steakums. It's 9 ounces. I weighed it here on my scale, and I'm gonna weigh out 9 ounces of this shaved chicken. Okay, just to make it even. This is nice and talled out good. 9 ounces. 3, 5.5. Yeah. Because this is a pound here. 8.5. 8.9. 9 ounces. 9 ounces of chicken, 9 ounces of beef. Steakum, chip steak. I love them a lot. You know I love them. Chicken onion. This is the Dine Living 22-inch commercial flat top grill. I like it a lot. Alright, so I'm going to put beef on one side of this grill. Chicken on the other side. That onion smells so good right now. I'll turn the heat down a little bit. This goes up to 572 degrees. What a weird number, but that's what it does. And usually we throw these in the frying pan frozen, but I wanted it to match the chicken, so I thawed them out. Okay. It's really shaved. Look at that. Alright. I'll wash my hands real quick. And I washed my spatulas. They're already washed. Remember the other day we did it on the Blackstone? Beautiful. You gonna have some? I know we got a shadow here, don't I? Shadow nose. Will this make 2 or 1? I think we'll make 2.
Oh, we got those nice big hoagie rolls.
Yeah. Yes, we do. This chicken was supposed to be 1 pound. I took 9 ounces out. Doesn't look like 7 ounces left, does it? Should weigh everything. Maybe they're talking about the package too, huh?
I hope not.
Alright, you can make your cheesesteaks however you want. Only beef, only chicken. You can put steak sauce on here, which I might do on this side. And this side, I want to put maybe blue cheese when it's on the roll. I think that's going to be a good combination. And if it ain't, it ain't. And it's the ultimate combo. Look how fast it fries up. Really like it. It's fun playing with these grills. When I first thought of it, I thought about mixing these all together. But then I thought it might look nice on the roll, you know? Dark meat and white meat. It looks like I'll have enough for 2. Because this is like half of a sandwich, and this is the other half, see? Like that. Oh, man. I should put myself a roll on here, right? Get it ready? Can you slice me one up, please?
Sure. Since we have these nice giant rolls, let's show them. I think you should just make 1 giant steak
For me right now, right?
Yeah, that's what I think you should do.
Chicken's getting brown. The steak is done. I like this is level. The grease coming off. It's level so the grease stays on. Okay. It's a holiday. Yeah, I'm going to lay a hunk of cheese on here too. So you get it. I'm frying them up. Right? Frying up the meat. Separate that. Separate it there. Get my bun getting going here. Look at this. Hang on there. Alright, we're ready. This is my half here. Is that half and half? Yeah. And this is chicken half. Now the chicken smells real good too. Let's get it neatly onto a roll. You know? There. Looks a little skimpy for a cheesesteak, but remember, they're going together. Steam it a little bit. Okay, so far. On this side, I'm going to put real sauce. It's going to be a mess, isn't it?
Well, it's going to be good.
It'll be a good mess. Rolls nice and toasty. Remember, I want to keep half on that side and half on that side. Or you could just mix it all together. It's a lot easier, isn't it? I want to do this. Do this. I want to do this. Get it? Where's my white spatula? Gone. Oh, gone. Black and white. Look at that.
Wow.
Ooh. Okay. Okay. Turn the heat off. Now, you want yours all mixed together, or just leave it like this till I taste it?
Yeah, you can go ahead and taste it.
Ooh, a couple pickles on there, maybe some blue cheese. Hang on. I'll put some pickles on here because I like it. Put some hot peppers on there, but you don't have to. You never have to do this. Ooh.
Oh, that looks great.
Oh, make a pig of myself. Well, I made a mess. I made a big mess. I don't care. Doesn't bother me at all. What do you think? A black and white. You can't tell with all the goodies on top. Yeah, it's white on that side and dark on that side. See that? Chicken beef cheesesteak. Blue cheese on top. Steak sauce in there. You hear that sizzle back there? This is a good size. First taste ever. Woo! Hot stuff. It's hot. Now, should I mix it together?
Yeah, go ahead. That was your first idea.
Yeah, it was. That was my first idea, to mix it all together. Then I thought it might look nice on a bun, white meat and dark meat together, but I kind of destroyed that idea by putting the goodies on there.
How do you like it?
I really like it. I really never tasted anything like that. That combination of meat. How often do you have steak and chicken together? I guess sometimes you do, right? But not on the same sandwich. You still like it? I love it. It's easy to make. Get your steakums. We usually have a giant box. And get some shaved chicken if you can find any. Okay, this is off. I really like that. Got a grease trap here. Cleans up easy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Try yourself one of these. Want to stay here till I eat the whole thing? I know a guy that subscribed to me lately, and he does that. He just sits there and eats. It's funny. What's his name? His name is @DevAndEat. He's funny. I'm sure he'd like if you go watch him eat. He just eats. You know. Funny guy. All right, talk to you soon. I'll eat the whole thing and then I'll eat another one. What did I have? I had a whole peanut butter pie I was going to eat, remember?
Oh, yeah. Another day?
Mm-hmm. Another day, another peanut butter pie. Mmm. Well, it's going to fill me up pretty good. All right, thanks for being here again. Are you awake? She fell asleep. She fell asleep watching.
No, I didn't fall asleep.
I'll give you one. Well, you should sit down here with me. All right, this was just a weird idea. Had to do it quick, and I hope you like it and try it. Okay? Please subscribe. Talk to you soon. I'm almost trying to eat again. See you. Bye. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.